Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Oh my god, this is such a great time to be alive. So here I am doing my New Year routine. Basically, in New Year, I don't go out, I don't go party, I don't go clubs, I don't do nothing. What I do, I like staying home, cooking, cleaning, taking care of myself, and getting ready for the New Year. So here I am in the shower, the tears, body wash, and body scrub. I've been using this since forever, and then I help on my face. So a little recap of 2022. 2022 in general has been a great year for me, a great year of my life. I learned a lot of things. I achieved a lot of things. I had great people in my life. I have a very good support system in my life, and good friends. My family showed me that they've been here for me, friends and everything. So yes, there's things that happened that I wasn't expecting to happen to me. It's things that keep you like, oh my god, this is a fucking surprise. I wasn't expecting this, but it happened. But at the same time, everything that happened to me right now, I take it as a lesson. I take it as a lesson. I say, if it's happened to me, God knows why it's happened to me. God knows why this is happening to me right now. I need to learn from it. And yes, so we move on. God have been amazing to me. My family have been great. The support system, as I said earlier, is amazing. And for 2023, I would like to be more open. I would like to post more video. And yes, I received the year always praying, always on my knee praying and asking God for great things. And then I help on my journal. And yes, I have a cup of wine. It was like 3 cups of wine, to be honest. So I'm grateful. I'm happy. 2023 is going to be amazing. Happy New Year to all of you.